Hey Giselle, William here. Just want to make a quick video. Uh, Basically, I am trying to make it that I'm trying to play into my celebrity a little bit. I played football at the University of Louisville, and I need people to know that, and I need to know people, let people know what I do and what I represent. This is who we are. We do personal training, CrossFit, boot camp, and sports performance. This is what the gym does. This is who we are. These are the core values that make us. Everything that I do is derived from these core values. And yeah, I just want people to know that. And then even when you go to the website, if you click Elizabethtown, so I just went to savoyfitness.com. I mean, this is just who we are. I'm looking to build community. Like, I'm all about building community, building a long lasting friendship. Even back to this, it's bigger than 60 minutes. Um, this is all I'm about. These people have been with me 5 years, going on 2 years, 3 years, 5 years. The E-Town kids, all these people here. And obviously, if you look on the left, Nancy, Christy, Miss Bodie, Trixie, 2 years, 3 years. I want people to know that I'm big on building community, and anything that is in relation to that, I want them to know. I gave you some good pictures of me. Um, I think I have some pictures of me playing football if you need that. But real quick, if I go to my postcards, won't you see this last one? When I say building community, and we acknowledge our clients' milestones. If you get 100 classes, you get a postcard, right? If it's your birthday, you get a postcard. When you sign up, you get this welcome card right here, bigger than. I'm actually going to share this with you real quick. I think you're going to like it. Giselle Smith. It's bigger than 60 minutes at my gym. This is all I'm about. I'm about community. Savoy Fitness is bigger than 60 minutes. Especially during this crazy time, my family, my clients are supporting me. I mean, that's really it, Giselle. I don't think I have anything else. Uh, if you need some wording or anything, let me know, please. I'm going to attach this here. And you have a good day.